In this video, I'll show you how I created 1,000 posts for my education WordPress website in just one day and scheduled them for an entire year. To achieve this, we'll follow 3 simple steps. Generate bulk content using ChatGPT. Upload the content to WordPress in bulk. Schedule the posts for a year ahead. Let's dive into each step. Step 1. Bulk content creation with ChatGPT. We'll start by generating content for our posts using the free plan of ChatGPT. First, go to ChatGPT and ask it to provide 1,000 unique, SEO-friendly article titles. For example, I'm working on a website about biology, so I'll request titles related to this topic. After getting your list of titles, copy them and save them in a text file. Now we have our 1,000 post titles ready. Next, let's generate the actual articles. To do this, go to ChatGPT, click on the profile button on the right-hand side, and select Customize ChatGPT. Enable custom instructions and provide specific guidelines. For instance, for my biology education site, I'll input: I'm writing unique articles for my website, each between 1,500 and 1,800 words. The focus is on biology education. I have my post titles. Write articles on the provided post titles and output must exclude ChatGPT's extra instructions for users at the start and end. For the second prompt, regarding how ChatGPT should respond, I'll specify the format. After setting these instructions, save them, and we're ready to generate content. To make this faster, I use a Chrome extension that automates the article creation process. It types the message for each title and saves the output as HTML or text. Installing the Chrome extension. To install the extension, go to the Google Chrome menu, then Extensions, and click on Manage Extensions. Once there, enable Developer Mode and click Load Unpacked. Select the folder containing the extension files, and it will be installed. I've included all the files you need in the video description. Once installed, open the extension. You can input each article title one by one in the message box. Adjust the time as needed, then select your preferred download format, HTML or text. I recommend starting with a small batch to test, like 10 titles, and then scaling up once you're comfortable. Click Start, and the extension will automatically generate content and download it one by one. It mimics human behavior, so it may take some time, but I've already created over 2,000 articles this way. Step 2. Bulk upload to WordPress. Now that we have our articles, let's upload them to WordPress in bulk. Head to the WordPress dashboard, navigate to Plugins, then Add New. Upload all the plugin provided in the description and activate it. Next go to Settings, then Thumbnail Generator. Upload a background image, adjust the text settings and save it. Then, go to the HTML to Draft plugin. Select the article files. Next select the category, tags and start uploading. You can upload all posts at once, and they'll be saved as drafts. Once uploaded, go to the Posts section to view your new drafts. Step 3. Scheduling posts for a year. To schedule posts, we'll use a plugin called Auto Post Scheduler. Head to Settings, then Auto Post Scheduler. I want to post one article every 4 hours, so I'll select 4 hours in this option. In the Eligible Post Statuses section, choose Draft, and then update the settings. Finally, click Enable Auto Post Scheduler, and that's it. The plugin will now automatically post all your articles on the set schedule. And there you have it. That's how we bulk create, upload, and schedule posts on WordPress in just a few simple steps. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments, or contact me directly for support. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials.